Holy shit. Alright, welcome to day 78. Today I came to Abuja just to see one rock, which is the Zuma Rock. This rock is 725 meters high, which is double that of the stupid Uluru Rock in Australia. And it's also almost as high as the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. They think ghosts live here because of the rock. Theoretically. Is there a ghost in this building, abandoned building?
Yes, there are some ghosts, there are some nightclubs that are here. There are many people used to come in the night, talk to the spirit that they want.
The real question is that a face or is that not a face? Nobody really knows. Damn, that's one big rock.
That is Zuma Rock. That is 1 minute. See you tomorrow.